We have finally come up with brand new Glue W1 Plus for film-free Type A, which has better durability. It is much easier to place the decal after application. The image holds up much better in water for a long time. It is even better for washing with a dishwasher. It can be applied where transfer papers cannot. The way it works is same as the previous film-free decal paper. Edit and resize the image, then press print. Print the image on the coated side of the paper. Cut out the image on the decal paper. Dip the decal in water for around 20 seconds. Apply the glue where you will be applying the image. Mount the image face down, then remove the protected film. Find the right spot for the image, then scrape out water. We recommend a squeegee to remove air bubbles and water. Heat curing is the next step. We recommend an oven that has stable temperature control. The temperature and time can depend on the equipment. We recommend running a trial to find the best values for you. Remove the film once it is cooled down. Wipe off any residual glue with alcohol. The second curing step involves baking in the oven. You will still achieve the durability with natural drying, but the baking will make it more waterproof.
Don't forget to press subscribe for more information on our products. Thank you!
For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. Feel free to send us an email if you have any questions.